What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we're talking about the top 5 investment books that young investors should read. So let's go. Okay, so real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. The top 5 books every young investor must read. Okay, so with all that being said, all right, this list comes from Investopedia.com, one of my other favorite websites. I love them, man. I love Investopedia.com. If you want to know anything about investing, want to know anything about the markets, education on saving, making, and doing good with your money, check out Investopedia.com. And no, they did not pay me for this plug. I just like them, okay? I just like them. If I like them, I like them. All right, so they have this list that I saw on their website called the top 5 books every young investor must read. So I figured, let me take a look, right? So they listed as Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Beating the Street, Think and Grow Rich, The Essays of Warren Buffett, and The Intelligent Investor. Okay, now I believe they listed them in a different order. They started off with Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which in my opinion is a great book. Okay, I did read it. It's actually incorporated in this book, Rich Dad Plan for Financial Success. It's a great book, great read. Definitely, you can learn something from that story and how the differences between a working more 9-to-5 go-getter is and a entrepreneur go-getter is, and see where those levels bring them to of go-gettingness. You know what I mean? Like where does it bring them to in their life? Rich Dad is more financially free. Poor Dad is not really poor, but he's not financially free. Okay, so that's pretty much how you learn the difference between entrepreneurship and being a 9-to-5. Now, the next book they have listed is The Essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America. It was written in 1997 by no other than Warren Buffett, and I believe another author was assisting him in this. Okay, so in his essays, Warren Buffett, widely considered to be modern history's most successful investor, provides his views on a variety of topics relevant to corporate America and shareholders. Okay, young investors can get a glimpse of the interface between a company's management and its shareholders, as well as the thought processes involved in enhancing a company's enterprise value. Okay, so honestly, it sounds good. I mean, Warren Buffett, like they said, is one of the leaders in investing, one of the top investors of our generation and his generation, and you can learn a lot from Warren Buffett. I follow a lot of his stuff, and I'm definitely gonna take a read of that. I've never read that essay book, so I'm definitely looking to get into that. I'm gonna order all these books. That's exactly why I'm listing these books, because I want to help you out, and some of them I didn't read myself, so I'm definitely gonna check them out. Next up, we have Beating the Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is one of the most successful stock market investors and hedge fund managers in the past century. Okay, he started as an intern for Fidelity Investments in the mid-1960s. Nearly 11 years later, he was tasked to manage the Magellan Fund, which at the time had close to 18 million in assets. By 1990, the fund had grown to a whopping 14 billion. That's billion. That's billion in assets. Okay, during this time, the fund boasted average returns of more than 29.2% per year, which is unheard of. Okay, so Beating the Street is definitely something you want to take a look at for my young investors and old investors out there. Okay, we also have The Intelligent Investor, which was written in 1949 by Benjamin Graham. I'm not really into older books, but this sounds like it's worth it. Okay, he is considered the father of value investing. Okay, this paradigm advocates the purchase of stocks that appears underpriced relative to their inherent value, which is determined through fundamental analysis. So it teaches you how to buy stocks undervalued, which is dope because you want to have stocks that are undervalued, so that when they go up in value, boom, you making that money, dog. All right. Last but not least, Think and Grow Rich. Okay, there has been many people that have talked about this book. I've read it. I do have a copy of it somewhere around here. It's not in my stack over here, but soon I'm gonna have me a little my bookcase and stuff. That's why I have all my books sitting right here. Some pictures behind me. Just, we gonna get it. We gonna get it. But now let's get back to the topic on hand. Think and Grow Rich, one of the most inspiring, interesting, and prolific books of its time. It was written in 1937, okay? And it was written during the Great Depression and has since sold more than 100 million copies worldwide. So if you're going to read anything, you might want to read Think and Grow Rich. Okay, so that's the list of the top 5 books every young investor must read. Okay, all these books will be listed in the description below. You can go check them out, or if you want to check it out on your own without going through my links, because all my links are affiliate links. So let's be transparent about that. Now, this is how you support the channel. But seriously, so if you don't want to support the channel, it's up to you. You can go research the books on your own. But I would appreciate if you go through my links, go purchase these books. If the books interest you and you're really going to read them and really, use them to enhance your life, I'm definitely going to list some more books that I've read or I'm going to read. But I've ordered most of these books already. The ones I have already, obviously I'm not going to order. But I ordered the ones I don't have. I'm going to get into them. I'm going to let you know what they're about, what they read, if it's worth your time. But if you're not willing to wait that long, go ahead through my links and check it out. Also, do remember, I have the Wealth Builders newsletter, okay, where we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. Okay, so go ahead, sign up to that. It's free. It'll go straight to your email box every day. Okay, I can't guarantee morning, but it'll be there every day. Okay, and you go check it out, read up, share it with your friends, share it with your peoples. I'm going to have an affiliate link. That's so you can win prizes and get things when you share your link for my newsletter. Okay, definitely do that. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's your boy Devon signing off for the top 5 books every young investor must read. Do remember, Wealth Builders, what should you do? Make more, save more, build more.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.